symphony of innovation where technology and industry dance together in perfect harmony. The transformation that occurs after AI integration is nothing short of revolutionary. Imagine a world where tedious tasks like data entry are automated, freeing up valuable human resources for more complex problem-solving. Picture predictive analytics at work, forecasting production trends, identifying potential bottlenecks before they happen, and allowing for proactive decision-making. Visualize a system where real-time monitoring is the norm, providing instant feedback, reducing downtime, and keeping the production line humming like a well-oiled machine. But the magic of AI doesn't stop there. It also helps prevent errors before they occur, spotting irregularities and inconsistencies that could lead to costly mistakes. The result? A remarkable boost in productivity, efficiency, and profits. This is the power of AI for smart factory integration, a future where man and machine work together, creating a symphony of progress and prosperity. So, what have we learned about AI for smart factory integration? We've delved into the inefficiencies of current printed circuit board assembly (PCBA) test systems, where manual processes and lack of real-time data often lead to bottlenecks and inaccuracies. We've examined the traditional factory, reminiscent of a time when everything was labor-intensive and automation was a distant dream. We've also seen how these factories struggle with challenges such as high operational costs, low productivity, and quality control issues. Then we explored the concept of the smart factory, where AI comes into play. By integrating AI into PCBA test systems, we can achieve seamless data flow and drastically improve efficiency. This not only cuts down on costs and errors, but also accelerates production cycles and enhances product quality. The future of manufacturing is being revolutionized by AI, offering untold potential to transform the industry. With AI for smart factory integration, the future of manufacturing is here, and it's smarter, faster, and more efficient than ever before.